This is the best backflip tutorial you'll ever see. All right, hold up. That's not where we start. You start by first envisioning it in your mind. You got to practice the bridge. Hold that. 10, 20, 30 seconds. Stretch out, warm up. The best warm up that I found during these 40 days is backwards walking, backwards sledding, like that. Such a good warm up. Gets the blood flowing to the knees, gets the pump and the VMOs. It's just so good. Then you want to practice getting momentum. Momentum is your friend when you're starting out learning it. You want to get momentum. Like this, you'll get there. But get the momentum, boom, okay? Then the next thing is you want to breathe in and out. The breathing is super important. Next time you watch a sports game, maybe like a tennis match, boxing, or even soccer, you'll hear these athletes, they're like exhaling, like, or like, and they like yell, or like, ooh, sorry Nate, they yell, because when you exhale, you get more explosive. There's a study done on this. When you exhale, you're stronger, more explosive. Inhale, exhale on the jump. When you jump, you don't want to go slow unless you're just super athletic. We're trying to get the most out of this. So when you jump, you want to boom, explode. At the beginning, you can jump higher. You just got to know the secret. So the penultimate step, so this length has to be, the farther it is, the more momentum you're gonna get. Boom. If it's like this, that's just more strength, more technique. If you're starting off, get that momentum and then boom, explode. And then when you jump up, at the beginning, yes, you're gonna go back like that. But the key is to go up and then back, not back like that. You're gonna get lower. If you can get the boom and then go back, that's good. When you jump, boom, jump up as high as you can. Use your arms to swing. Boom, and then tuck. Just practice that. And then try to do it quick. Boom. Just practice that. Boom. Now we're gonna start going backwards. So just practice. It's going back like that. You're getting used to going back. This is easy. Just practice going back like that. And the backflip is gonna be easier if you already work out, if you have some strength, if you're lean, it's gonna be a lot easier to learn. And now you just start trying to go backwards. So this is how I started, just to the side like this. You just start right there. Like this is exactly how I started, just like that. And then I just kept getting better and better, more comfortable going backwards. More comfortable going backwards until you get the back handspring. Until you get the back handspring. Practice that, going to the side, going to the side. And the more you do it consistently, the more your body's gonna remember what to do. So your body's gonna produce that strength and build that muscle. Just practice it until you can do the backflip on the mattress. For me, it didn't start like that. My first backflip was like this. Like that, because I was too scared to tuck. And because I was too scared to tuck, it made the backflip much harder, put me in a position of higher risk to get injured. So do not rush it. Do not rush it. Do backflips on the mattress for a month. Who cares how long? This is my 12th session. And even though I've done the backflip on the ground, this session, I'm still a little bit scared to do it on the ground and to tuck. But for the sake of the training, let me show y'all how to do it. Breathe in, out, in, out. So you're left with this. So you're left with that backflip. Since I'm training barefoot, which I think is the best way to train, connected to this battery that is the earth, getting you charged up instead of wearing some rubber soles that are completely disconnecting you from the ground. This gives me more explosiveness, better blood flow, so my blood can get to my muscles better, so I can be more explosive and stronger and resistant. And then nasal breathing, only breathing through the nose, that increases the oxygen intake, better oxygen flow to the brain, to the muscles, all that. And so then after you're comfortable doing this one, you can go onto a mattress like this, or even to a mattress like this. So you go onto this one a little bit more padded, you know, if you need to get rid of that fear.